Advanced optimization and hidden settings. Unlock your phone's hidden potential. Introduction. Beyond basic settings. Hello, and welcome back. Last time, we made your phone fast and light. Now, let's go deeper. Did you know your smartphone has a whole set of powerful hidden settings just waiting to be activated? Activating developer options. The first step is unlocking the legendary developer options. Usually, you need to tap on your build number 7 times in the About Phone section. Don't worry, it's completely safe, and this menu is where the magic begins. Speeding up animations. Once inside, look for window and transition animation scales. By setting these scales to 0.5x instead of 1x, your phone will feel twice as fast, as the animations are cut short. Try it out, the difference is very noticeable. Controlling background apps. Also within developer options, you'll find the background process limit. This is a great tool for RAM optimization. By limiting background apps, you stop them from hogging all your processing power when you are busy. Harnessing adaptive battery. Moving away from the hidden menu, let's talk about power. Modern phones have adaptive battery and CPU optimization. Make sure these are always switched on in your battery settings. Smart CPU management. These smart features use artificial intelligence to learn which apps you use, and when. They automatically slow down or restrict power to the least used apps, ensuring better performance and amazing battery life throughout the day. Automation with routines. 125. Next, let's make your phone work for you. Explore automation apps like IFTTT or your phone's built-in routines or focus modes. Time-saving automation examples. For example, you can set a routine to automatically switch off Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data the moment you leave your house. Or, you can silence all work notifications after 7 p.m. automatically. It's a huge time saver. App cloning for productivity. For professionals, the app cloning or dual messenger feature is super useful. This lets you run 2 separate accounts for apps like WhatsApp or Telegram, one for personal and one for business, on the same phone. Integrating AI and smart tools. Finally, integrate your phone's AI assistants like Google Assistant or Siri into your daily tasks. Use voice commands to set reminders, make quick calls, or control smart home devices. The smart daily experience. By activating these hidden features and using automation, you are not just speeding up your phone, you are creating a smarter, more productive daily experience. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Unlock your phone's full potential today.